Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to host a game in Terraria. To host a multiplayer game, of course, first open the multiplayer tab, then go to host and play. Select a character or create a new one. I will select the test character I made before. Then select the world you will be playing on. As you can see, I already played this one and I can host this one. You can also, of course, create a new one. After this, you will be taken to server settings. Here you can enable or disable the Steam multiplayer. Allowed users either invite only or friends. With invite only, you can make it so that friends can invite. With allowed users friends, you can allow friends of friends. Once you customize this to your liking, press the start button. Set the server password. I will set it to something, and then after pressing start, the process may take a moment for you. Now your friends can join your game, if they know the correct password, of course. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.